Hi everyone, I'm Kate. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've bought something new to try. It is a gold color. Let's get started. This is the gold ink that I bought from Japan, and it is one of the materials that we use for calligraphy and painting, and I'm going to give it a try. I've never used this before, and this is the first time I've bought this golden color. I'm just curious to see what it looks like and see if I can use it for a Chinese painting. I'm hoping that it's water-based and not like acrylic. I suppose I could have shaken it before opening it. There is the bubble. Let's blow it. We take just a little bit of golden ink from the lid and see what it looks like on the plate. I'm going to try it on rice paper. So this is the golden color. I'm going to paint a bit more to get myself familiar with the consistency of the paint. Now I'm going to just outline the flower to see how easy it is to manipulate the ink and check to see if it dries quickly. I like the consistency of the ink. It is not too thick so that you can see how easy it is for me to manipulate my brush to paint the wavy petals with pointed tips. I don't think that it is too thin either. Can you see the strokes clearly? I can from my angle. Wow, this ink looks good. I wonder if it's easy to wash off on my plate and the brush after I'm done. Let me finish it quickly and try to wash it. Now let me show you a closer look. I'm going to use ink to paint a couple of birds on the mounted rice paper card. The reason why I chose to paint on mono card this time is that the gold color will show better than the semi-transparent thin rice paper. However, I have to adjust the water content of my brush every time I switch paper because this card has lower absorption rate than the half-ripe rice paper. For the beak, I use orange and red color. I found that I can mix this golden ink with my Chinese watercolor. I take some golden color and then add some yellow to get a bright metallic golden yellow. I'm going to paint the bright yellow winter sweet, which is an ornamental flower in the winter. I like this color because it makes the flowers look more luxurious and elegant. If you paint this flower using just yellow, it will look very pale after the painting is dried. That's why I always add more shades to the color mix. That is, the orange always go with the yellow. If I want a darker color shades, then I'll add a bit more red. As I paint more flowers, I want to have more variations in color. So I've added a bit of orange color to the bright yellow tone. I used to fast forward this type of repetitive process, but I figured that my videos are already very short and you may want to see the real speed of my painting. And you can always fast forward and watch the next step. Winter sweet is a type of shrub, so all the wooden branches are thin. You may paint all the branches using just ink, but in this painting, I want a bit more variations in color, so I'm mixing some dark green first, using yellow and indigo blue, and then take just a little bit of ink to paint the branches so that there is a natural transition from dark color to green and from rich to light color. When I run out of color, I'll mix new ones with slightly different shades, and sometimes I'll add a bit of orange or red at the end so that there are more variations. I know there shouldn't be any leaves during the fruit blossom in the winter, but I wanted to add some colors, so I'm painting some leaves. At the end of the day, it is a painting, not a photograph. You may or may not agree with me, and that's okay. For the statements, I'm using orange and red color to create a contrast. You may use ink or deep red as well. When it comes to color, it is very personal. I'm now adding some final touches to the painting. I'm adding a few dots here and there to make it more interesting and more dynamic. The reason why I'm not adding splashes is that I'm afraid that it's going to go out of the white area, which is very small around. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. This golden color has added some dynamics to the painting. I hope you can see the golden shine of the yellow flowers. I'm happy with the result of this experiment. As a bonus for your patience to watch till the end of this video, I'm going to tell you what happens to the golden color on my plate. As I paint, I keep washing and rinsing my brush and the plate, and there is no problem at all. It's very easy to wash off. After I'm completely done, the color is a bit difficult to wash off, so next time I'm gonna keep washing before it is completely dried. I'll see you soon.